Hello there and welcome back to DaveTech. Now in this video, I'll show you how to use Roblox on Android TV. The first thing you need to do is to get the Roblox application. You do that by getting to Google. So find your Google app and you're going to search for the Roblox application. Now click on the search bar and you find a keyboard pop up. When it pops up, just type in ROBL, that's right, Roblox. So you see Roblox there on the suggestion, you can just click it and scroll down to where you find an application or an optional link that has play.google.com. This is the one you want, so click on it and you're going to find an install button on this app. Now, be patient, depending on internet speed, it can take some time to load the page, but right here it's loaded and you can find an update button right here. This is because I currently already have the Roblox application installed. On your page, you're going to see install. Click on install. Be patient for a few seconds and you have that app directly installed to your app library. Now head back to your app library when you have the app installed to launch the application. So go under apps and find the Roblox app. When you find it, click on it to launch, and after a few seconds this app will open. Now be patient and just wait for your app to load. This is a brilliant app and you find the create account button right here. If it's the first time you need to create an account, you must have an account to use Roblox. But do not worry, you will not require an email address. All you need to do to create an account is to have a password, date of birth. As you can see here, I'm choosing 1st of January 2020. Oh, that's wrong. But put your date of birth right here. In my case, I'm using this date of birth. So I'll scroll down to 2001, 1st of January. So I've confirmed the date of birth. Now I just need a username. And the username I'll use is QWERTY2231 as on the at. So you have to look at this suggestion here. See, it's between 30 to 20 characters long, contains only letters, numbers, and it's not already in use. So those are the criteria to have a username. You have to suit your username to those criteria. It needs to have only letters and numbers. So if you have any special characters on your username, you have to remove them, and the username could not be in use. So this is going to be the username I'll use, QWERTY22ET. That's a suggestion and I like it. So I'm going to choose a gender. You could choose male or female, female to the left, male to the right, and you can hit continue. Be patient for the page to load. This could take a couple of seconds based on internet speed. Preferably have good internet speed because Roblox is an application that gives you 3D experiences. 3D experiences take a good amount of internet to render, so ensure you have good internet connection so the image quality could be good and the rendering of those 3D immersive experiences could work well and be satisfactory to you. Now you could have the application right here. All you need to do is create the password and you'll be finally logged into your account. So this is the password I'm going to use, 124, and it needs to be 8 characters long. So you could choose that password and I'm done. If I hit the done button, I'm going to have this account created. But mine is going to take a couple of seconds, maybe to a minute depending on your internet speed. In my case, I'm choosing to save the password. So when you're prompted to save password, you should save a password to the Google account that's registered on your Android TV. Now I'm choosing to save this password to this Google account so I can access it easily whenever I need it to. After that step is done, you're going to have the home page right here. Opening the home page, you can access all of this. This is the first section where you have today's picks on strategic thinking. You could scroll through the home page and find what piques your interest. As I said, this is like this right here is that's a 93% rating. All these are different 3D immersive experiences you could enjoy right now. You can hop over to charts where you have, just wait for it to load. You could choose charts. You could look at the top trending, the upcoming projects on Roblox, and you can enjoy any of those. You could edit your avatar, go to party mode. You can even hit more. You'll spot a whole lot of options to go to the marketplace premium. You could look at moments from experiences. You could check profiles. You could make connections and even explore the community. Your inventory, your messages, and everything is right here. All you need to do is take your time, navigate to what exact experience you want. It could be Empire Clash, Conquer the World, Hitman card game, anything you want. Launch it and enjoy. So if you found that video insightful, if you understood how to use Roblox, let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel if you want more content just like this.